In a quiet forest, Luma the bird had a special gift. She painted the sky with her wings every dawn. In a hushed forest, Luma the bird didn't chirp. She painted the sky with her wings. Each dawn, she transformed clouds into pastel hues. One morning, the sky turned dull and colors vanished. Luma, remembering true beauty, sang a gentle melody. The sky rekindled, vibrant and alive. Ever since, she paints with wings and song, gifting every sunrise. Rest easy, little one. The sky listens to your dreams. Join Luma on her magical journey each dawn.